Coaching is a learning process. Coaching is not about talking. Coaching means silence.
It really helped me figure out why I act the way I do when I lead.
I just love how it focuses on your identity and how you can use it to help your team.
It's really a refresher course for me, and at the same time a breath of fresh air in which it reminded me, how to be a good coach.
It's not really about being a traditional leader, but it's about adapting into a leader that my group needs.
It actually made me learn how to be empowered as a leader and how to empower others.
It focuses on who you already are, what your strengths already are. It also recognizes that your strengths are not your team's strengths, that each person has their own strengths.
They're very experienced with what they do. It's so exciting, and I had a lot of aha moments while listening to them.
Oh, everybody was so accommodating. They were so open to assisting me or answering all the inquiries that I had.
That's why we're here. That's why we're here to correct that perspective. And I love that. It's very conducive and it's really a breath of fresh air.
Hi, my name is AC.
This is Alvea.
I'm Lynn.
I'm Janina, and this is the
Coaching Excellence for Organizations program.